a live demo of QuickBooks Online. And guys, wherever you're catching this, if you don't know who I am, I'm Elaine Forbes Daisley, and I help business owner to eliminate the frustration of bookkeeping by taking their invoice receipts, turning them into useful data. So we are live inside of the Create Financial Solution group. That's the group I have on it's a closed Facebook group on Facebook. Uh, Facebook. It's a closed Facebook group. So if you want to be a part of that, you can go request to join it. I probably won't be able to pay attention to it right now to let you in, but you can also watch the demonstration on YouTube. I'm going to pin the link if I can get it done. I'm going to pin the link. Okay, hold on. Let's see. I am struggling. Trust me. I am okay. All right, there it says I'm live. I hope. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. I'm finding the link so I can pin it at the top of the room. I don't see the button. She says I'm supposed to see the share button. So I'm looking for that share button so I can share it. So those of you on here, I don't see it. I saw it earlier when I was on here, the actual share button, but now I don't see it. All right. Am I echoing Carlita? Okay. I don't know how to find this thing. All right, so I need to turn off some microphone because I'm hearing it twice and I'm not figuring out where I'm hearing it. Jesus. All right. All right. I just found that one, but how do I find the share button? Do you know anything about YouTube, Carlia? Uh, there's actually a share button. Let me see if this is it. Copy link. Uh, oh my goodness. All right, let me see. Hey, Rashida, I'm going to pin the link and you're all going to tell me if it takes you to the YouTube channel. Oh, there it is. I don't know. Carlita, can somebody go and see if they're able to see this on YouTube? And let me see. I don't know. So, guys, I'm actually doing a demonstration. It's going to be, it's live. So I'll share my screen. I don't know. Somebody raised their hand. Lord. Okay. All right. Thank you for those. All right. So if you're on YouTube and you want to ask any question, you can come to the stage. You can actually come to the stage, and then I'll hear you here. Let me know if it's. I guess I have to mute my mic so that it doesn't echo. So let me go ahead and grab the screen, and we're gonna get into QuickBooks. Uh, QUI. I'm going to get into QuickBooks and then we're going to do, just give me a minute. I was I was on up to the last moment testing this and everything worked while I was testing it. Everything actually worked while I was testing it. All right. So the link is at the top if you all want to yeah. If you want to see the live demonstration, it's going to be on YouTube. And let's continue. So good afternoon, everyone. We're actually trying something new. We're doing the live demonstration. It's inside my Facebook group. So those are who are actually, I should check the people in the Facebook group to make sure they're seeing the thing. I was live inside of the Facebook group earlier, and there's some people came in the live demonstration. It looks like it's not in the group. I'm not even going to worry about it, because that means I'm going to have to do some more testing. All right, so let's go here. All right, so I'm actually going to be using the sample company so as to protect data information. And guys, when you go to the YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification button, because every Tuesday I'm going to go live inside of the notification, inside of the Facebook group, inside of the YouTube. Oh, Jesus, I'm nervous. Can it be, imagine that? Okay, share screen. Let's share that. Share. All right. Let me know if you guys are seeing my screen right now. Whew, I'm so hot. Carlita, are you seeing my screen? You can type chat. Okay. All right. All right. So this QuickBooks that I'm showing you is already set up. So it has stuff already inside of QuickBooks. So to navigate QuickBooks, so I'm just going to go over the navigation to how to navigate inside of QuickBooks. So we're not starting anything. We're just showing you how to navigate inside of QuickBooks, how to actually navigate. So on the left-hand side, this is all the modules or the things that you can do inside of QuickBooks. So you will always open up to the dashboard. You can navigate from here, and you can also navigate from the gear icon, which is all the way over on the right, far right here. Now, if ever you want to do anything, so the first thing is, if someone ever asks you what subscription you have, see this little number, right? This little icon right here. You can click on here. Actually, that one is not going to give it to you. This icon here, you go to account and settings, and on this left navigation, this is not going to show you because this is a sample company, but right here you'd see billing and subscription, and that's where you'd know what subscription you have. So once you click into anything and you want to get out of it, you click the X button and it will take you back to the last screen that you were at. Now, when you set up your company, right here you can add your logo. This you will not see on it. This is an accountant version, so you'll see some stuff on here that you would not normally see on your QuickBooks. There's a help button right here. You can search right here. There is notification right there, and then the gear icon. Everything that's on here is also over here, so that's another way. So the dashboard, you have two views to the dashboard. You have getting things done. So it will give you all this stuff like a workflow, money in, money out, accounting reports. Or you can do the business view. The business view will actually give you a synopsis of how your business is. It gives you a profit, expense, invoices. It also gives you a summary of your bank account and your sales. So this is right on your dashboard. So you can look at it as a business view, or you can look at getting things done. The next step down is your banking. So your banking, and I don't think this one is connected. In the sample version, okay, it's not connected, but normally you would link your bank account to your QuickBooks Online. And what that does, it takes all the transaction inside of your QuickBooks, inside of your bank, and put it inside of your QuickBooks. Not inside of your QuickBooks, in a on a I want to say that the easiest way, Carlita. It doesn't put it inside of QuickBooks, because then you have to actually add the transaction in your QuickBook. But it makes it easier for you to navigate, to classify these transactions and put them inside, record them inside of QuickBooks. So that's the banking tab. And the stuff that is going to come under your banking tab is your actually checking account, savings account, your MasterCard. If you have PayPal, it's going to show up here. If you have any kind of institution, it's going to show up here. Now they've also had apps transaction, and this is for Amazon, Square, and Stripe will show up here under the apps transaction. So if you're using an app like Square, you can connect it and the transaction will be here. So you can also have that right there. So this is the first part of it. And then we'll probably go into rules at some point, and how to use tags to track stuff inside of QuickBooks. Your receipt, this is one of the cool features that I love about QuickBooks Online. It's actually, you can upload your receipt from your computer. You can actually upload it from your phone by taking a picture. You can use it to your Google Drive, and you can use an email and forward that to your QuickBooks Online. Now, so that is it for your banking. And then for your sales, so this left navigation, you can do the drop down and click on any of these options, or you can click on it and it will open up the panel, and you can actually click on the top here. And this is where all your invoices, receipts are going to show up. And this actually show, if you're creating an invoice, it's going to show up, or your receipts. This is where this is not set up, because this again is a sample version. So you'd see deposit here, and then customer, and then your products and services. Now, when you first start QuickBooks Online, the 2 or 3 things that you should do, I recommend you do, is before you connect your bank account, you're going to go to accounting, charts of account, and create your charts of account. And this is so QuickBooks actually has some a preset chart of account. Each business owner needs to be customized to your own business. So what we're going to do today, we're actually going to customize a chart of account. Now, if Rashida, you're going to come to the stage so we can ask the question. I'm going to ask you the question. Rashida, are you watching on YouTube as well? I'm waiting on Rashida. Okay. Rashida, we're going to do a custom. Or if there's anyone that wants us to customize their charts of account. If not, I'm just going to do where are you, Rashida? Are you on YouTube? Are you watching it on YouTube?
Hello.
Oh my God, my husband just come there.
Hello.
I'm live, please.
Your husband dying.
I'm live.
Your husband dying.
It's been recorded. Everybody's hearing you.
Your husband dying. Oh Lord, I'm tired.
All right, Rashida, you on? All right, Rashida, you can type, if you're on YouTube, you can type in the comments, or you can just open your mic and tell me. So the first thing I do when I am doing a chart of account, or when I start a, a, a new client, what I do is I actually go to run report, and this is giving me the option to actually take this report out of, so I can customize it. So I'm going to do export, and I'm going to export this into Excel. I'm going to open the Excel sheet. Oh Lord, let me close these. Yes, I didn't know that all of those went back in here. Thought I cleaned out that. Okay. So now I'm going to call this um, template, TEMPLATE. I'm waiting on you, Rashida. Can you see the actual? All right, so I'm going to take the balance out because I don't need those balance. And okay, all right. So every business has a checking account. All right, so we have a checking account, and we're going to put this as checking. Sorry. Operating ACCOUNT. And then they might have a savings. Now, if you want to add, if you have more than one checking account, we're going to put insert. We're going to insert a line here, and we're going to put checking. And this one, we're going to call it profit account. And then I'm just going to set this up for at least 4 checking accounts, and then we're going to insert. And this one we're going to call payroll. Do you have to have all of this account? No. So if you have question, please feel free, if you're in the YouTube channel, to put your question in. And then this one we're going to call income account. And if you have a savings, so I'm kind of going to put lines between these so you can see, and I'm going to fill this in because that's all in the bank, and these are checking. And then you can put a description right here. So I'm going to put right here the bank name, Bank of America, OPERA, operating account, used for all EXPEN expenses. And this one, I'm going to put, and I don't want used for profits. And then this one, we're going to put use to PROC, process, PAYROLL. And the reason why I'm putting this here is because if someone comes in and look at the account, they can actually, if you pull up the account, you can actually see the explanation, and you can know right away without without someone have to tell you what it is for. All right. So are we going to leave those? Your accounts receivable is an account that's automatically created by QuickBooks. So you're not going to. Now, if you have inventory, this is also created. Now, this account has prepaid expense. We're going to leave all of these because we're in. So the next one, so you have your bank, your accounts receivable, your current assets. These are all current assets. And then insert your fixed asset. So, Rashida, do you have any fixed asset? Any furniture, any desk, any fixed asset? Now, your fixed asset is actually those things that you buy for your business that it's not resaleable. You actually use them to generate income. So in this, Rashida is a consultant business, right? So we're saying it's a consultant business. So a consultant business. So what you would have for the fixed asset is right here. We're gonna put FURNITUR furniture and FIXTURES. And we're going to change this and we're going to put because we're not doing any trucks. Now, the other account that you want to do is the depreciation account. So we're going to change this. Okay, so you have no, we're going to put it in anyway because, and this is going to be FURNITUR and XTU. And it's going to be for depreciation. And it says accumulated depreciation. Now, right here, this says we're going to take this out because you don't have any truck. Accounts payable are those expenses that you're going to not pay right away. So we have the accounts payable set up. Now you can set up your credit cards. Do you have a MasterCard, a credit card, a Visa card? So we're going to leave these two so you can choose whether or not you want those. All right. So this, if you collect sales taxes, so I'm going to put a line in here so you can see it. If you collect sales taxes, now this is saying we're going to put this. What state are you in? What county are you in? What state or county are you in, Rashida? I should know that, right? We gotta put state. What state or county are you in? Um, okay. NdianaCounty. And that's for sales taxes. You wanna, all right, so this one you don't need. You know, if you don't have a loan, you don't have to activate these. Now, this one right here, your opening balance equity. Okay, state of Indiana. Okay, that's fine. So if you don't, so guys who are watching, if you're coming into the room, just pause. So if you're coming into the room, we're actually doing a live demonstration of creating a chart of account over on YouTube. You can jump over, the link is at the top. You can just click on the link and go right over to YouTube so you can actually see what I'm doing. And we're doing this inside of QuickBooks Online. All right. So this opening balance is always going to be created by QuickBooks because when you connect, especially your bank account, because there are transactions that the date you connect is not necessarily the date that a bank account starts, it actually puts it into an opening balance equity. The reason why they do this is that we know that every debit must have a credit and every account has to be balanced. So that's there. And retained earning is also created when you at the end of each period, like the end of the year, the end of the quarter, the retained earning goes over. So now to the income, that's the equity account. The income, now you can set up your income account, and we are actually going to delete all of these. So you can rename your income account. So let's do this. We're going to keep billable expense because we might need that. We're going to take out design income. And you're a service-based business, right? So we taking out all of that. And we want to keep these two. Insert. So if you are, so we have billable expense income, discount given, service, or if you have products, unapplied cash payment. This one is created by QuickBooks. You want to, that's, I'll show you some later date why that is created. And this is uncategorized income. And this is if you put income in, you're selling products. So right here, instead of service, and I'm changing it here, and I'll show you how we can change this inside of QuickBooks, okay? All right, so this is a sale of products. And we're gonna put right over here, sale. All right, now, whatever you purchase for your cost of good, they're going to go in here. Now, if you're purchasing different stuff and you want to see the report, let's say, and the easiest way to say it's widget. So let's say you have one type of widget, or you also have material, and then you have packaging, and then you have labor. Now you can create, if you want to see all of those inside of your cost of goods, we're going to insert some line in, insert, and then you can have cost of goods, copy. And then you can put MATERI, materials, and SUPP. And then you can make one that says and then you can put LABO or I still spell it the English way. So now if you have insert, now some of your packaging is going to, and it will be postage, packaging will be a part of cost of goods sold, and some is going to be a part of regular expenses, right? So now you can also do cost of goods sold, and we're going to put colon, and then we're shipping. It's actually shipping. Oh my goodness, SHI shipping, and you can also have packaging. Now the rest of the stuff down here, I'm just going to put in the generic stuff unless you actually have something. So advertising, and then now you can break your advertising. Let's say that you want to see, we're going to make it so you see, we want advertising, ADV, or yeah. And you can put Facebook ads, DVERTIS, and and then you can put other ads. And when you're setting up your charts of account, is going to be based on what you want to see inside of your report. All right, so we have advertising, then you have the automobile. I'm gonna insert. If you notice, it says automobile expense, and then oh, we got to put this in the expense category, and then we're gonna put those on the advertising and promotion, and automobile. Now, here's a way that you want to see your automobile. As you also want to, if you're taking this expense on your taxes, you want to do so you see fuel. We're going to add some more in here. We're going to add a couple lines. P-A-R-K. Oh. Automobile. And then you're going to put parking and toll. It's going to be expenses, and we're going to say auto. I'm just looking in here if they have anything for repairs and maintenance. All right, so you can do it this one or two ways when it comes to the repair and maintenance. You can either put it on the repair and maintenance, on the maintenance, and put vehicle or auto. But I like to put it up here, so I put AUTOMOBI, automobile, and then I put this here, and then I put or APAIR here and AINTENANCE. Carlita, is there anything else when it comes to the automobile that we need to kind of do? I know you.
But I was saying, just double check your the NCAA side.
That would be up.
Some of us here, right?
Okay, we would have that. Okay.
I saw, but I saw
Insurance. Now you can do. Oh, I'm here talking to myself. Sorry, guys. I know those were. Uh, okay. All right. Give me a minute. So you said, Master, so I can see the funds. Hold on 1 minute. I'm going to stop sharing over here for a minute because I totally understand. Let's do this. If I can get it to work, I'm going to change the fonts so you can see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's stop sharing and let's put this on the and and you have to tell me if you can see it so that I can oh Lord. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna share the screen again. We're actually want to share this screen. Oh Lord. All right, so I didn't do hold on, give me a minute. Let me find the screen that we need to share. Let's stop sharing this. And let's do this. Share screen. All right, let's share screen.
Sure, I know.
All right, let's do this. Let's move us over here and let's share screen and tell me if that is better. I don't know. It looks like. Is this any better? I put it on the biggest screen and it looks like it's still. Is it better? Oh no, I mean inside the actual because I put it on a bigger screen so you can it makes it bigger over there. I don't. It's better. Okay. No, I can't. I guess this is better too. All right, now I'm going to look over on this screen so that doesn't. Okay, there we go. All right, so I put these things here because of how I. So that is also something that is how you, and I put insurance because I want to see everything that's related to my car over here. Then we have the bank charges. So if there was another thing on the auto, um, oh, the interest, right, Carlita? I should put the interest there if we're paying, because the interest on the loan is also deductible, correct, Carlita? So that's if you have a loan. So when you make a loan payment, the principal is going to go to, we're going to put a motor loan payable. So let's put, we go buy a car. So we putting it right up here. It's actually in loans payable. So we're going to put right here, we're going to have a UTO. Uh, and this is going to be loan, and this is expense, and this is on the auto. And we can change the description. Then we have the bank charges. Um, you're not paying commission, so we're going to take out those. No equipment rental. Did you say something, Carly? Who's that? Go ahead. Okay, so Carlita, what do you suggest? She is asking, she does like affiliate, if she's paying out to affiliate. Um, no, no. This says commission and fees, right? But she's thinking that so let's say I sold her product and she's going to pay me an affiliate link. That would not be commission. Mm-mm, she's paying them. Mm-hmm. Right. Is that a question you're asking, Rashida? Okay, so if you're receiving affiliate, you can put that in as income. So if you want to see that specific on your then you would create a link up here, that because it's not sales, it's not service, you would call it other income. So let's do this, and you're going to call it affiliate, affiliate income. So for the expense, Carlita, income, and this is going to say other income. I think this is going to be other income, and I'll look for the category inside of QuickBooks. Carlita. So this one is going to be. Go ahead. Affiliate. Right. So, but that wouldn't be, right. But it's not commission. Okay. So I would just name this, instead of commission and fees, I would just say affiliate fees. Yeah, I'm not looking in it either. So I'm doing it right here. When we go back, we're going to actually go back to QuickBooks really quick. Commission, we're going to say AFF, LI, affiliate fees. There probably is a category there. And then we're going to say this is, oh, girl, I'm over here talking like crazy. All right, so Marlene asked a question. Give me a minute, Marlene. Let me let me answer that question really quick. So we're gonna put affiliate. Listen, don't judge me. I slept through English class, so I can't spell affiliate fees. PAID. So here's what you do: is that when you go to QuickBooks, and I'm gonna go into QuickBooks in a little bit and show you how this is broken down. So when you write what it is, when you go over there, you can actually look for this stuff. So most of these stuff does not apply to like a service business. So we can take insurance. We're going to take insurance, job costs. We're just going to leave one job cost in here because it's going to be delete legal and professional fee, and this is actually broken down right here: accounting, bookkeeper, lawyer. If you don't have all of those, you don't have to set that up. Then repair and maintenance. If you have a building, you have computer and equipment, and you want to see those, I know you don't have a building, so we're not doing that. And meals and entertainment. This one I would go over another time because I think we need to go over that in detail. What do you think, Carlita? So here's something too. So if you notice, this is promotional, and this is also under advertising. So if you want to see promotional, different, if you want to, so here are some of the stuff that are considered promotional. So if you sponsor, like, what do you call it? If you buy like promotional items, those are different from advertising. So if you actually run an ad on Facebook, so some people want to see their promotional expense different from their advertising. So you can also do that. Purchases is this is here as an expense. You can also put it as an expense. You can also put it as cost of goods sold. And then we have rent and lease, And they break these out and show you stationery, if you have supplies, taxes and license, travel. And this person, they break out travel meals. You might want to do that because you want to see your report. This one I'm going to take out because we don't need this one. I don't want to deal with that one. So uncategorized expense, QuickBooks is always going to give you an this is created by QuickBooks. Don't have to worry about it. That's if you put something in and you did not categorize it, it would go to uncategorized expense. Now you have the utilities, which have gas. You see your phone. Then, if you notice down here, we have other income where it says interest earned. These are other, and then other expenses down the bottom here. Your other expenses can be anything that you deem that they're expensive, but you don't want to put them in your main category of expenses. All right. If there's anything else, then you can add them into, and the reason why I do it in an Excel spreadsheet is that I can sit down, look at all the stuff that I want to see, and then make sure that I actually set this up. And then now I can actually go to QuickBooks Online and do and set it up. So I'm going to scoot on over to QuickBooks Online. So let me grab it and put it on this screen so I can show you. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna, I think I see some questions that I want to answer. Can you, all right, hold on. Okay, so it says, can you add more than one business into a QuickBooks account? No. That's probably the easiest answer. No. So if if each of the business that you're thinking about has a separate EIN and they're not, how we say that now, if it's not the same business or a department of the business, if it has a separate EIN, you need a new QuickBooks Online file for each business that has an EIN. The thing about that is that if you have more than one business, what QuickBooks does is that one of the company you have to pay full subscription, and then the additional company you get them at a discount. Did that answer your question, Marlene? Because I think that was Marlene who asked that question. So let me know. I see. Yes. Hey, from over on Facebook. I'm not sure who's on Facebook. Hello, hello. You're right. So let me know, Marlene, if that was helpful. All right, guys that are over here on YouTube, if you have any question, please put your question in. If you are on Clubhouse and you have any question, please put them in. And if you are inside of the Facebook group and you have any question, please put that in as well. Okay, all right, all right. So let me show you now. And now, so when you have a template of your charts of account, you can just upload that straight into your QuickBooks, or because it's has preset, you can go in and now adjust and to. So let's do this. Let's go back to here, chart of account, and you can actually import. So the chart of account that we did in Excel, we can actually import it. I don't know if this is gonna make us do it. I didn't save it. So you have to save it as a CVS, and then you do browse to your computer and save. And then once you've, I don't know if it's gonna make me do it. Anyway, it's actually on my computer and I have to save it. So let's do that. Let's go back here. Let's do file, and we're gonna save as, and I'm going to browse, and you're seeing this live. I'm actually doing this live, guys. So, and then I'm going to create a folder on here that says UICK books demo, and we're going to save this here. And once it's saved, we're going to go back here. We're going to browse. That's this one. And we're going to click on here, open, and then next. And you notice we're going to say template. Uh, okay. Template, template, template. We got to match it. And we say next. And what it's going to do is that it's going to take all that information. And that's because I did not set it up. See, it says are ready to be imported. And then I can just do import. I'm not going to continue because I don't want it to import into here. So you can, are you sure? Yes, we want to leave without saving. And then that would come over in here. Now, all of this stuff that we did would come all the way over here and you'll have that. Now, if you're not importing and you want to sit and put each, just edit what's there, you're going to go to new and we're going to look for the affiliates, the expense that is affiliate, and we do expense. And we're going to look here and see if it says, if there's anything that says fees. It doesn't say fees. Oh, I don't see nothing that dues and subscription. So I would put that under other business expenses. And then I would create a description that says, I'll go back to my Excel sheet because I want that to be, where is it? Where we have the affiliate. Huh, I can't find it. I'm blind. Okay. And this is gonna, I want this description and I do copy because it's nice. And I add this here. And right here, I'm going to put affiliate AF fees. And then I can do save. And if we go down this chart of account where the expenses are, we should see that affiliate, see right here, it says affiliate fees. And now you can use that for your affiliate fee. Did that help? Was that helpful, Rashida? Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for all those who were on the YouTube channel. If you have any, was that helpful, Rashida? Let me know if that was helpful. Guys, over here inside of the clubhouse room, we were doing a live demonstration, QuickBooks Online, and it is inside of YouTube, on my YouTube channel. If you go to the channel, please do like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification because every Tuesday I'll be doing a live demonstration about QuickBooks Online. So we showed you a little how to navigate QuickBooks Online today, and then we show you how to customize your personal chart of account. The reason why you want to customize your chart of account is to make sure that when you're looking at your report, it's telling you what you need to know. Olivia, is there any question? Were you able to see the demo? Thank you for joining us on the stage. Rashida, thank you for giving us some information that we can finish customizing this. And you can always, your chart of account is always in work in progress because it's as you do stuff, you want to change, you want to fix it the way you want to see it. So thank you, Alicia, for coming in. Angel, I think this says Chiquita, and Alan Nuna, Alan Nu. Miss Scott, thank you for coming in because you all know I slept through English class, so I don't do those things very well. And for those who are over on Facebook, thank you for coming in. So I am going to be doing this live every Tuesday where we are live in the clubhouse room, live on YouTube, and live inside of the Facebook Create Financial Solution group. If you want to join the group, you can go over to Facebook, request to join in, and I'll be more than happy to let you in the group. This will be on YouTube. You can come back, watch it, If you have any question, please do put your questions in. And what I will do is that I'm going to create a couple templates, a couple what's it called, chart of account templates, and I will put the link below the video. I'll put the link below the video, so you, if you come back and if you're watching it, um if you are what, I'm sorry, give me a minute, I'm going to answer your question. If you are watching this live, so I can stop sharing my screen. If you're watching this live, I'm going to put a link below the video of different templates for different company, and then you can just click on it to see which company if it's a service-based company, if it's a consultant company. Construction is a whole different thing. Real estate is different. The other thing that we did not put in here that you want to put in is, like, if you have PayPal, you want to add your PayPal in here. You also want to add your clearing account. So inside of the template, I'm gonna put some more stuff in it, and then you can download the template. And when you go to your QuickBooks Online, you can now import it, or you can go in and, just like I show you, do add new. And then once you do add new, you can go in, look for the stuff, and then add it into your charts of account. What version of QuickBooks Online are you using? So I'm actually using, Marlene, the accountant version, which means that because I service a lot of QuickBooks client, the demonstration that I show you, let me see which one it was in. Give me a minute. I'll tell you in a minute if it's the plus version or, come on. I think though it's the plus version. I think it was inside of the plus version. So the plus, they have the simple start, the simple start, there is the essential, and there is the plus and the advanced. Now, what I will do next week before we start the demonstration, I'm going to go over each version and give you an idea. Um, what type of business do you have? I know someone over in Facebook is asking a question. So over here in Clubhouse, if you guys, I'm going to be closing out soon. Just bear with me. I can't see my company's separate account. I'm not sure. Let me go back over here, Rashida, and I'm going to share the screen again, and you tell me what exactly you are not seeing. Okay. So what are you not seeing? And the person on Facebook is asking what version of QuickBooks should they buy. Actually, you have inventory, so you have to start with the plus version. So what I'm going to do also below this video is I'm going to put a link so you can use my partner. I have a partner link. I'm going to put it below the video so you can click the link and go ahead and purchase from the link. Here is what I want to say is that you can also get, I can't see my company's separate account. Rashida, I'm not sure what question you're asking. So you have to clarify that. I see my client account, but not my business account information. Okay, I'm going to show you that real quick. If this will allow me to show you right here. If not, if it's not going to allow me to show you in the sample account, it's the guys over here on and on Clubhouse. If you want to go, that's okay. We're going to close up over here, but I'm taking the question over on YouTube. So to the person on Facebook. So I'll put my link in so you can get the discount. But the discount I think that you will get is 3 months, 50% off. If you want to get a 30% off for 12 months, so 30% each month for 12 months, what you can do is go to my Instagram profile. And inside my Instagram profile, go to my LinkedIn, my link tree, and schedule a 30-minute session. And I'll go over the difference with you, and also I'll be able to provide you with a 30% off for 12 months. So each month you'd get 30% off. So if that works for you, just go to my Instagram profile, click on it, and go to my link tree. The link will also be here, so if somebody watching it in the future, they will also see it. So if you're just coming in on Clubhouse, I'm actually on YouTube and Facebook as well. And we just did a live demonstration of QuickBooks Online. So somebody asked about the subscription. So go set up an appointment, because it's much easier for me to because that I can't show you, because it's going to show personal information and I cannot show it here because it's live on YouTube. So let me share this and see. So, Rashida, walk me through so right on top of here. Okay, Rashida, I cannot show you in here because if I open it, it's going to show all the personal information. So as soon as we jump off of here, I'm going to jump in a Zoom, and I'll show you exactly what you're asking. Right, Rashida? Because I don't want to open it's going to show people's information, and I don't want to do that. All right. Hi, Diane. Thank you so much for coming on in. So, guys, if you have no more question, let me know. Let me know if you're watching this after the fact. Let me know if this is something that you want going forward, or if you just want to say, no, Elaine, this is too much. We're always going to do a different demonstration, something different about QuickBooks. So make sure if you have something specific that you need us to show you, make sure you can send me a DM with it and says, hey, Elaine, can you demonstrate this? Or you can schedule an appointment. It's easy. Talk to elainenow.com. That's so easy to remember. Talk to elainenow.com, and you can go right to my calendar, schedule a time, and I would be more than happy to jump on a Zoom with you if you don't want to do your personal stuff on here. We are actually using a sample company because we do not want people's information to go out there. Privacy is very important. Securing people's information is very important. All right, guys, over here on Clubhouse, thank you again. See you tomorrow. We do live broadcast on Clubhouse Monday to Friday inside the revenue retention room. So please make sure you're following the room so you get notification. On Mondays, we talk about bookkeeping. On Tuesdays, we actually do a live demonstration of QuickBooks Online. On Wednesdays, I can't find Carly Day is gone. I can't find Wednesdays. We're going to probably be talking about taxes. On Thursday, we're going to talk about your finances, financial statements, reports, and stuff like that. And then on Friday, we talk all things about finances. And I know somebody's going to say financing. Yes, we're going to be touching investment, retirement planning, financial planning. Those are the stuff we're going to be talking about on Fridays. And Fridays, we're in the live online learning club. So thank you for coming on. We're just over the hour, and we're usually here for an hour. I don't know. You all seem to be excited about QuickBooks Online. So thank you so much, guys. If there's no, hey, Cassandra. The link is inside the link for the demo on YouTube is at the top of the room. I probably leave this replay on for a minute. So if you are catching this after the fact, you can just jump on the YouTube, look at the demo, and if you have any question, please, please, please comment, leave your comment, let me know. Turn on the notification button and subscribe to my channel. So bye, everyone. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, over here on Clubhouse. Have a good day. No question. Olivia, you was good? I'm making sure. Oh, I have to stop sharing the screen. All right, bye, guys. I see you guys on tomorrow inside of the Clubhouse. And it. All right, bye.